In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into WhatsApp Web without scanning a QR code. So if you're looking to access WhatsApp on your PC without the usual QR code hassle, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore this straightforward method. First things first, go ahead and open up your favorite web browser on your computer. Once it's up, navigate over to web.whatsapp.com. This is the page where you typically scan the QR code using your phone. However, in today's guide, we'll be exploring an alternative approach. Now, when you land on the WhatsApp web page, take a closer look. Instead of going through the usual QR code routine, you'll notice an option that says log in with phone number. Go ahead and click on that link. This option is what will allow you to access WhatsApp on your PC without needing that QR code. Next up, you'll need to enter your WhatsApp phone number. Carefully type in your number and don't forget to select the right country code from the list provided. This is an important step because it ensures that the system connects to your specific account. Once you've entered your phone number and selected your country code, click on the Next button. This action will prompt WhatsApp Web to provide you with a special code. Now, this code is crucial as it ties everything together. With the code displayed on your screen, shift your attention to your mobile phone. Open up the WhatsApp application and look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see three dots. Tap on those, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Linked Devices. This is the section where you can manage all the devices connected to your WhatsApp account. Upon accessing linked devices, tap on the option to link a device. However, instead of linking it the usual way with a QR code, look for an option that says link with phone number instead. Tap on that option. Now, this is where it all comes together. You'll be prompted to enter the code that WhatsApp Web provided earlier. Carefully input the code into your phone. This action essentially links your account to your PC without the need to scan a QR code. And there you go. You're now logged into WhatsApp Web, and you didn't even need to use your phone's camera. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to access WhatsApp Web without ever having to scan a QR code. This method can be especially useful if you're having trouble with your phone's camera, or if you just prefer not using QR codes altogether. I hope this guide was helpful. Stay connected and enjoy the seamless WhatsApp Web experience on your computer.